We started Myoshi Knives with the belief that cooking should be more than just an everyday task. It should be inspiring and passionate. Our vision was to create a high-end set of Japanese knives to reflect that passion for art, culture, and cooking, while adding elegance to your kitchen. While creating the Myoshi line, we wanted to use premium material in order to give something more organic, natural to the person cooking as an everyday task.
My name is Reed Young. I'm the chef and owner of restaurant Bistro Carambola in Hudson. As a chef, the stuff I look for in a chef knife as far as brand goes and as far as reliability, especially when I'm working with fish or vegetables. So what I find about these knives that make it exceptional in the value is obviously the weight of the knife that is balanced towards the front of the blade. It makes it easier, especially me. I like a heavier knife. They're insanely sharp, and I mean, they're beautiful to look at. As far as their design, it's original. So it's definitely something that I would recommend to an at-home cook or even a chef working in the industry like me. When you work a lot of hours, you need a tough blade that's gonna it's gonna handle, and you need something that's gonna remain sharp. It's a necessity in the industry.
As a professional sword maker, one of my main concerns really is the quality of the material used while making a sword or a knife. And I find that with the current available market, that is very limited. With the Myoshi line, we wanted to do something a little bit more organic. We wanted to create something more inspiring, not just a professional chef knife, but an actual work of art that will be the centerpiece of your kitchen. We set out to produce one of the best knives by carefully selecting premium quality steel and topping it off with a beautifully finished Canadian maple grip. Each Myoshi knife is individually handcrafted using Japanese folded steel and VG10 titanium coated steel. The blades are carefully heat-treated and tempered for exceptional edge durability. Both sets are topped with a beautifully finished stabilized Canadian maple grip designed for exceptional balance and handling. Being professional Japanese knives, we created the blades with a Rockwell hardness of 5860. This gives the knives an exceptionally good balance between toughness and resistance while allowing for a razor-sharp and long-lasting edge. Over the months, we redesigned the magnetic knife block to be more appealing and functional. We added stronger magnets for a more secure hold and redesigned the block for increased sturdiness. While the pandemic caused delays in the launch of the Myoshi series, we plan to release the first batch of knives by September of 2020. With your help, we set to create some of the best and most versatile knives on the market. We hope that you will join us in this exciting new project, and thank you.